Hurricane Melissa left destruction in her wake, especially in the western parts of Jamaica. However, southern parishes such as Manchester and Clarendon were also affected, with some schools taking a battering. But they're forging ahead as they prepare for next year's ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships.
For Homewood Technical, Manchester High and Veer Technical, it was difficult to get back on track following the passage of Hurricane Melissa, especially with the students and their families getting affected.
We have students from all over the country. And we're in Manchester, so we're close to the, Trelawney, St. Elizabeth, close to that side, that get a lot of battering. We ensure that we reach out to everybody, get them back in school and in training, because both is important. Both the track and field and both the academics.
Quite a few of our youngsters would have been impacted somewhat, maybe lost their roof, unable to get to school via modes of transportation.
Financially, everything is a strain during the Melissa saga. The Melissa saga kind of put it back a little bit, but we're getting there.
And for the two schools based in Manchester, things got more difficult as the institutions suffered physical damage.
So it was difficult, our school sustained some damages, but we managed to get all the athletes in, start training, and we're here.
Our school, mainly the roof, got some damage on the sixth form area. Hence prevent us from resuming back immediately after Hurricane Melissa.
As a result, they lost time in training, but despite the circumstances, the focus is on getting ready for the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships next year.
Definitely did affect our training program, preventing us from training for at least 2 weeks.
Yeah, they started it for the latter part, but things are coming together now.
We have lost a good 2 to 3 weeks due to Melissa, but I think we'll get back. This kind of remind us of the COVID here, so I think we will get back. Our athletes are resilient. Our coaching staff is hardworking. Just to see where we are, in this competition, our first competition for the season, and to build on what we have done today, build on it going forward, and get ready for Champs 26.
And despite the challenges, the school's athletes managed to open their season at the recent Tyser Mills Classic. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.